We're there again with another video. We have a link here, so, but you see me say you don't really want to flick on the camera. But we just ask him a question same way. So, what do you think about Jamaica? What first food come to your mind? My first food come to your mind?
Banana, plant, everything there, man.
Alright.
Everything there, man.
So, alright.
Banana, bread food, just start, man. Everything there, my lad. Just
Yeah.
have to just come together.
And
Just
just
move
do
like
it.
one and, you know,
And
do it right.
Yeah, what dog I say, isn't it?
Everything there,
Alright.
man.
So, next question. Jamaican national dish right now, ackee and sawfish.
Yeah, but I know that, you know.
So, why, if you did have the chance, then just say, oh, Mike, I give you a chance to change Jamaican national dish. Where that change it to?
What's good, Soul Fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here.
Live right and make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father and make we lift up the world, yeah.
Yes, so fly fam. You know we have today?
Real_Fargo.
Yeah.
Tonez here on the block.
Yes.
Shavar 9X.
Jadine.
Mario so fly.
Khadija. Sandrine. Shan Soulfly.
Shani Garden.
You know it's your boy. Don't know Sparta.
Kira.
I will just flick 2 questions quick and fast.
In the kitchen.
Yeah.
Chef, you know?
Alright. When you think about Jamaica, what the first food come to your mind?
That's a steamed fish and crackers.
Ackee and saltfish, of course.
Right, cool.
The first food really to come to my mind would be ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. Why? Because we are known for roast breadfruit, and 2 ackee and saltfish is our national dish. So that is most distinctive to Jamaican culture.
Alright.
First food come to mind, rice and peas. With any farmer chicken.
Alright, cool.
Ackee and saltfish.
Fine.
Ackee and saltfish.
Alright.
Jerk chicken. Ackee and saltfish.
Alright.
First food they come to mind. Chicken, man.
Yeah, chicken.
Chicken.
If you had the chance to change Jamaican national dish, where that change it to?
Well, personally, I would change it to rice and peas. Why? Because everybody try to cook rice and peas on Sunday. If you not cook rice and peas, it become like something a go on. All people are foreign, Jamaican and foreign, try to cook rice and peas on Sunday.
Cool.
I would not change our national dish from what it is currently, because really and truly, ackee and saltfish fit our culture really good. So basically, the diversity in which it actually came here in Jamaica with our ancestors, it is very unique to our culture. So I wouldn't change ackee and saltfish as our national dish. I would let it stay.
I'm gonna change it to what you know, it's a jerk chicken and rice and peas, bungo rice and peas still, yeah man. But when I go overseas, the first thing they talk about jerk chicken.
True that.
Yeah man, so jerk chicken and rice and peas, that's it, straight up. Yeah man.
Alright. Would I want to change it still. Yeah. Because ackee and saltfish is nice. That dough nice, that dough nice. And people must eat chicken on a regular basis every day.
So let us get chicken.
Yeah, would I eat that? Would I say chicken or is it one of them something there, national dish. Jerk chicken. Yeah. Make sure it's specified.
Fried dumpling, chicken back.
I wouldn't change it. I don't believe in changing traditions.
Mine.
Ackee and saltfish.
First food that comes to mind, you know, say jerk chicken still. Jerk chicken, man.
Rice and peas and chicken.
Don't change it though.
Alright, cool.
Egg and bread. Chicken.
Right, the question we have to ask. What your favorite thing to prepare?
Mashed potato, macaroni and cheese and fried chicken.
Alright, cool. So you can find her at
JD Barkley on Instagram.
yeah. You know out.
It's a baked bean, starfish,
Alright.
rice or dumpling, anyone.
Yeah. Jamaican. Yeah. I choose to know. So you know say we have it. You have it here first with Mario Soulfly. You can find him at
Yeah, you can find me at IG at Mario Soulfly. You can find me on Facebook at Mario Soulfly. I'm out.
Cool. I choose.
Take it.
Porridge.
Alright. So you can find her at
Lim Khadija Instagram and on TikTok Khadija _58 KHADIJA.
Soulfly out.
Steam fish and crackers.
And you know we have it here first with your boy Sparta.
You know, it's your boy Sparta. Yeah. Follow me on the ground, you see me?
Yeah.
Sparta Narco.
Alright. Out here.
We out. I'm out.
Pancake and egg.
Alright, cool. So we have it first here with Sandrine. So you can find her at
_that simplistic for IG.
alright, cool. Soulfly out.
My favorite dish to prepare is baked chicken. I love baked chicken. And fruit cake at Christmas time, of course.
Alright, cool. So we have it here first with Shanique. You can find her at
Glamour by Shanique on Facebook. Shanique Gordon Marks also on Facebook. And at BabyDoll6Shanique on Instagram. You can also type Glamour by Shanique on Instagram.
and you know say she had the art makeup artist on the block. We have to give it to her.
Yummy.
So until another video, peace.
Bye.
Alright, now we can find her at
Kira Bobby _ on Instagram, Kira Shanshan Smith on Facebook, and I don't remember my TikTok. What is that? I remember my TikTok. I think Kira 23 __.
alright, cool. Can find the boy at
Yeah, man, you can follow me on Instagram, real_Fargo. The Fargo spell FAUGO. Or you can go on my YouTube channel, subscribe to me Vivo. Fargo Vivo, you see me? Yeah, man.
alright, that click. So we have it here first with Shavar 9X.
Yeah.
So you can find him at
On Instagram at Shavar9X. I don't know on YouTube, but it's Shavar9X. And you can go look up on the next YouTube channel, the TPS family. You don't know, so you can go check it out and subscribe and click the notification bell. That's it. Oh.
alright, cool. Alright, so we have it here first with Tones. So you can check her out at
Shanshan Mays on IG and Shanika Giles on Facebook.
so until the next video. Peace.
You know, it's your boy Sparta presenting for the Soulfly family. You know, life for Jamaican chef. You know, it's your boy.
And you girl DJ.
Today we have
You know, it's your boy. Don't know, Sparta.
yeah. And now we have flick 2 questions. No, today we have. When we say today we have it.
And you know today we have
Shanshan Soulfly.
Alright. First question. Why your first?
It's on my video. TikTok.
Van, it tight.
And you know today we have.
Jadine.
And you know today we have.
Jadine.
And we just have flick 2 questions by quick and fast. When you think about. Yeah man, so fly from you can look out for the next video where we are going on the road. Just comment where you think we should go next, etc.